Hello everybody, in this video I'll be testing the Comet browser from Perplexity. So this is a new browser that has some AI features built into it. So let's get started. So just looking at the interface, this is a dark theme interface. In order to download Comet, you've got to go to the Perplexity website and you need to be invited. So let's have a look here. There's a couple of settings. Now the first thing I noticed that it looks very similar to Chrome, and if you go to the settings here, you notice that it's actually Chromium that has Comet skin on it. So let's have a look here. As you can see, this is very similar to Chrome. So all these settings, you'll notice that it looks very similar to Chrome as well. It's got the memory savior. If you go to About Comet, you'll see it's made using Chromium open source. It's got a couple of other open source tools combined in with it. This is the latest version at the moment. Now let's have a look at how I use this. Now this is my first time using it. So you'll see he's got an assistant. Let me close this down. So let's go to a browser. Let me go to a website. Let me try it on this website, Advertise Me. There's an icon here to summarize the page. So you don't have to type in anything. It automatically analyzes the page and gives you a summary. So there you go. It gives you a good summary of what the website is about. Then you can ask questions. Give me the phone number. So it's going to go through and give you the phone number. So that's the phone number at the moment. What do they do? Gives a summary of what they do as well. So this is pretty handy to have as an assistant. You can connect your Gmail account to get information from your Gmail and use assistants to get the email information. Now let's try this voice mode. So voice mode is very similar to Gemini Live and ChatGPT voice. So hello, how are you?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. How about you?
Good, thanks. Can you tell me what this website is about?
Sure. This website is for a company called Advertise Me, based in Sydney, Australia. They specialize in digital signage, digital wayfinding, social walls, video walls, mobile applications, and custom interactive web solutions. They offer both hardware and software products for business.
Oh wait, I'll stop it there. As you can see, it's pretty good summary. Also, you can, it's like a normal browser, so you can, go back here, go to settings, add a new tab. So let's go to a new tab. This is the homepage. Now, what I like it about here is you can save different pages into different categories. There's an option here to discover. Let's go to tech and finance. So it'll provide you with a couple of articles that are trending at the moment. Spaces, you can create a space here, like a trip planner. Use this prompt. So pretty much like an easy prompt to use. I'm going to Canada next week. Provide me with vegan restaurants. So let's see what this comes up with. So it gives you a couple of options. In Toronto, now you do have the option to use the voice as well. And you can actually here choose the different models. Let's see what models I have. So it's got the Sonar, Claude, Gemini Pro, GPT-5, GPT Thinking. So yeah, there's a couple of models there. So it chooses the best one. Let's see. Okay, yep. So the one I'm using is a free version. You can upgrade it to the Pro version or the Max version, which gives you a few more options. You're able to also save and choose the different models. It's got video generation, image generation, Perplexity research, unlimited file and photo uploads. So yeah, this is for $20 US dollars. You can upgrade it to that version. So I'm not sure what else is there. So pretty much you're able to use the assistant to get more information from a particular website. I don't really have that many invites left. If you do want to try Comet, let me know and I'll send you an invite. I'll see you next time.